Hi, you're in the right place if you want to increase your profits and income in your law firm or your practice area, and you want to do it without working more hours. I'm Michelle Peters from The Business Instructor, and I'm the creator of the Profitable Practice Program for small law firm owners. Now, to round off this year, I'm running a special online workshop to help you plan out the next 12 months in a way that will mean less effort for more rewards. And by rewards, I mean financial rewards and rewards in terms of lifestyle and freedom. In this workshop, you're going to create a customized, profitable growth plan for your law firm that will identify the quick wins and the shortcuts that you can use to get the results you want quickly. And this plan will actually work for you because before you create it, you're going to do an in-depth analysis of what's working and what isn't working in your marketing, in your conversion process, in your fee levels, in the amount of repeat work and recommendations you get from clients, and so on. And once we know all of that, you'll have a heat map showing you the red zones that you need to work on as a priority. So you'll be able to put the right things in your plan and get results quickly. We normally charge £197 plus VAT to attend this half-day online workshop, and we run it many, many times before, always evolving and iterating it slightly, but we're very experienced at running this event. And as you'll see from the testimonials from the other lawyers on this page, it's worth that fee to attend because of the value it brings in terms of additional profits and reduction in working hours, as well as the confidence that comes from knowing exactly how to get the results you want. But because we're at the end of the year, I've decided to do something a bit special, which means I'm offering complimentary tickets to this workshop. So what's the catch? Well, there's no catch in terms of attending. You'll get exactly the same content and value from this event as if you'd paid the regular price of $197 plus VAT. You'll get the same value as all the other lawyers mentioned on this page who've given testimonials. But you do have to qualify for a complimentary ticket to this workshop, and here's why. In this workshop, you're going to be working some of the time in small groups with other law firm owners as you create your profitable growth plan and you brainstorm solutions to challenges that you have. So everyone at the workshop needs to be at the right level, which means a few things. So you need to be, firstly, the owner of a firm, either a sole owner or an equity partner. You need to be in a firm that has a maximum of 20 team members. And if you're a sole practitioner with no team at all, or a legal consultant with no team, that's fine as well. You need to focus on private paying work, not legal aid work. It's okay if you do a bit of legal aid, but that isn't what we'll be working on at the workshop. So you need to have a primary focus on private fee paying work. Fourth, you need to be the one who makes decisions about your marketing and your growth strategies, or you need to be bringing that person with you to the workshop so you can make decisions while you're there to really get results from this workshop. And fifthly, you need to be able to attend the workshop live on the date and time shown on this page. Now, that probably is going to mean you're either in the UK or Europe, because this workshop's unlikely to work for you if you're in the US or Australia, New Zealand, due to the time zones that we're going to be running it. And you must be able to attend live because we will not be recording the workshop. So if that's you and you'd like a complimentary ticket to join this workshop, then click the button on this page to apply for your ticket. We'll ask you just a few simple questions about your role in your firm to make sure you're a fit, and then we'll email you to confirm your seat reservation. No catch. Now, I've never offered complimentary tickets to this workshop before like this, and I don't know if or when I'm going to ever do this again. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, apply for your complimentary ticket by clicking the button now, and I'll see you at the workshop.